This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has started an official 2-day visit to Poland. The ruler of Dubai and his accompanying delegation were accorded an official welcome at the presidential palace, where His Highness was greeted upon arrival by the President of Poland, Polish ministers and other senior officials and diplomats. The ruler of Dubai and Polish president held official talks on a number of bilateral, regional and international topics of common interest to the two countries. They also discussed ways of expanding cooperation in sectors such as higher education, agriculture, tourism, and joint investment. Later, His Highness, the Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and the Polish President witnessed signing ceremony of agreements and memorandums of understanding between the two countries in areas covering small and medium-sized enterprises, food safety and agricultural marketing, higher education and scientific research, and an agreement on tourism cooperation. The Dubai Expo 2020 team has promised to host an extraordinary expo that will transform the region while leaving a substantive global impact, as they held their meeting with Bureau International des Expositions to update the preparations. The meeting in Paris, the last update prior to the submitting of the official registration document, which contains organizational and operational structure policies, procedures, theme, narrative, and legacy plans for the event. Commenting on the meeting, the Vice President of Engagement for Expo 2020 stated that the team has assured the General Assembly that all aspects of preparation, procurement, and engagement are being undertaken thoroughly. Furthermore, the team also highlighted some recent initiatives, including an ongoing national engagement campaign and international participation in Expo 2015 Milan, which included programs such as the For Everyone campaign and the new logo design competition, amongst others. In the lead up to the event, the organizing committee highlighted that the nation has established a solid governance structure, developed a robust strategy, and is prepared to host an extraordinary first World Expo. Abu Dhabi Systems and Information Center has announced that they plan to launch a unified platform to act as a one-stop shop for accessing government services by the end of the year. The announcement came during the 6th edition of Abu Dhabi E-Government Forum, which was attended by senior figures of government entities and IT industry, as well as students, where they discussed strategies for developing smart services. Held under the theme Towards a Digital Abu Dhabi, the forum celebrated the key achievements of the government's online services while setting clear goals towards achieving the Abu Dhabi Vision 2030 of a knowledge-based economy. Although the name of the app is yet to be finalized, a poll conducted during the forum revealed Khidmati, or My Services, as the most preferred title. According to the Director General of ASIC, the unified platform will play a key role in bringing the government departments together and offer an enhanced user experience for the capital's citizens as well as visitors. With more than 30,000 active users on the authority's app called City Guard, it was added that incorporating the services of more than 30 government entities will build on their current achievements.
Abu Dhabi, we have our master plan and roadshow. So we have our planning moving forward, and now there is what they call innovation drive, all these things that we are talking about. And the main purpose of having everybody here under one roof today, just to celebrate where we are today and what's the next, which is the roadmap. The roadmap, it's very important for every single entity because it's part of the journey, and everybody should continue and work closely with each other to deliver the best services. We are now here discussing with our colleagues what's the best way or the best name in terms of selecting the best name for that platform.
With the capital offering 400 government services available on 44 different apps of various government entities, figures from the government entities believe that a unified platform will assist in offering fast and more efficient services. With over 300,000 active users on the Ministry of Interior app, the head of systems development for the ministry believes that such a move will offer more convenience to the users by not having to visit the individual entities in person.
Since we have already, integrated with our partners like the vehicle inspection stations, the insurance company, so this helped in completing the cycle of the service, and the person can, get instantly the service that he wants. I think this is a great initiative. Of course. To have more channels, it means also that you're going to have more options for the citizen and resident. So people can, either get this service through our application or through the Abu Dhabi government application or any other difference. At the end, the choice will be there, and the user can select whatever he feels more comfortable. And for us is that how we can provide this service in a much innovative way that can ease for the user.
A new digital hospital concept has been launched in Dubai Healthcare City earlier today, where the next generation of equipment for diagnosis and treatment will be utilized to provide comprehensive healthcare services to all segments of the community. The Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Medical Group, HMG, in partnership with the GE Healthcare, are aiming to maximize the new digital hospital's competitiveness by introducing the latest technology for the first time in the region. According to the group, the hospital is designed and built to bring the latest innovations to benefit the patient experience from the moment a patient first enters the hospital through discharge and subsequent follow-up. It will also provide an integrated care solution in a way that maximizes the potential of the new technology, and its seamless connectivity with the group's other facilities will also provide timely access to clinical expertise and a competitive range of treatment options across the entire patient care pathway. Experts at the hospital have stated that the imaging equipment had to be integrated with IT infrastructure to promote information sharing across the group and enhance the management and delivery of patient care through an innovative patient experience solution.
Here, if you see, no need to move.
Here we are also focusing, when you establish the hospital, not just for the local market of Emirates, we are looking for the international market. So the hospital, we can work with them for the tourist, medical tourists, so we can have patients from Africa, from Far East, from America, from Arab countries. This is the infrastructure in Dubai, really very supportive to achieve or targeting this kind of patient. And already we have a patient from Africa, from Afghanistan, from Iran, from Arab country. Already we have a patient is coming here, because the atmosphere and the tourist and the facility around in Dubai is very well established.
The objective here is for us as an organization to make the interface with the technology as gentle as possible and as reassuring as possible. So when you look, for example, at the CT suite that's deployed in here, it has a unique environment attached to it, an almost spa-like environment. So the environment can be adapted to fit the patient, and the patient can control what that environment looks like. There's nowhere else in the UAE where you can get that interaction with technology. So the technologies are super fast, super quiet, and will give the best possible outcomes. And again, the interaction with that technology is a gentle interaction. So the emotional journey for the patient as they come through the hospital is the most relaxed journey possible. By having a relaxed journey, you have greater productivity with the technology, and the patient goes away in a much more relaxed, calm way.
The Abu Dhabi Police Traffic and Patrol Directorate has seized 20,000 vehicles with expired registrations over the past 5 months, according to the latest figures released by the Directorate. According to a report by Emirates news agency WAM, the police have stated that unregistered vehicles pose a tremendous risk to other drivers and road users, as they have not been properly maintained and have not passed the annual safety tests carried out when registering vehicles. Drivers found to be driving with expired registration will be fined 400 dirhams on the spot, while driving a vehicle without the proper permission from the competent licensing authority is punishable by an 200 dirhams fine and vehicle impoundment for a period of 7 days. The police are urging all motorists to comply with traffic laws and regulations and to renew their vehicle's registration on time. Additionally, motorists will be given a month to renew the vehicle's registration card, make sure it is roadworthy, and it does not pose a risk to the driver or other road users. The scheme to give new numbers to the capital's main roads is 75% complete, according to the Department of Municipal Affairs. In a local report, officials stated that 13 of Abu Dhabi City's main streets have new numbers as part of the Unwani or My Address scheme. The department says that the scheme will help businesses such as delivery vans to more quickly get to the right place, and the average response time for emergency services will decrease from 9.5 minutes to 4. The project is set to be completed by the end of next year throughout the Emirate and by the end of this year for the island. Under the changes, Khalifa Al Mubarak Street is now 2nd Street, 34th Street is now 4th, 32nd is now 6th, and 30th is now 8th. Over the course of the project, Unwani will introduce more than 180,000 building addresses and 19,000 street names, with 240 district boundaries reviewed and 49,000 new street and district signs installed. Additionally, by the third quarter of the year, the department will also launch a software application for all smartphones to locate the addresses through the QR codes on all building numbers and street signposts. And finally, in the bulletin, the Dubai Design and Fashion Council have revealed details about the inaugural edition of Dubai Design Week. Talking about the establishment of Dubai Design Week at the second edition of DDFC's Urban Majlis in Dubai, the representatives of the council said that in order to achieve the objective of making Dubai the leading design hub of the world, DDFC is working closely with renowned design experts from all around the world, and Dubai Design Week is a great platform for creative minds in the industry to exchange ideas and innovate. Industry experts attending the event said that Dubai has already become a global hub for design through events like Design Days Dubai and Downtown Design, and is now at the time to build on that success and engage regional and international audiences. DDFC officials said that Dubai Design Week will take place from 26th to 31st of October and include cultural, educational, and entertainment activities, as well as key initiatives spanning multiple disciplines of design. It was also mentioned that Dubai Design Week will see the launch of many workshops and exhibitions, including global innovation design, while welcoming international emerging brands from various countries, including Jordan, Kuwait, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Tunisia. The event organizers added that during the Dubai Design Week, a series of world premiere installations of renowned international and regional designers will be placed in landmark locations in Dubai and will transform the city's image on the global design map.
There's many components to the Design Week. There's a big commercial component in the face of downtown design. We also have a pavilion where we've invited different countries from around the region that don't have their own Design Week to showcase here and showcase their talent. We've invited international Design Weeks to come in as well. And the idea for that is that we can then take our own talent out to those cities. But the main thing I'm excited about really is having a citywide activation, having the whole community involved and all the different stakeholders.
As usual, Dubai has an amazing opportunity for people from here to also access the world, but also the region to have this point of convergence here in Dubai to access different markets. So this is what a Design Week is about, is bringing the entire good forces from the world down to Dubai for 1 week. Definitely. Could not be the better time now with now the empowering and the launch of the Dubai Design and Fashion Council, with the opening of Dubai Design District, with a trade show like Downtown Design, with a trade fair like Dubai, Design Days Dubai. Everything is on place to grow the industry and the design industry market here.